Hello, everyone! Here is the record of unboxing, the Model B One wireless keypad. First, we open the product box, a very delicate small box with the front view of the product printed on it. There is a switch and a Type-C charging port on the side of the keyboard. Turn the switch upwards to turn it on. There are two modes in total. FN+2 for G switches to 2 for G wireless mode, and FN+BT switches to Bluetooth mode. Now we press and hold FN+BT to enter Bluetooth search mode. Take out a smartphone. Find the Bluetooth on your phone and click on it too. Search for Bluetooth devices. Find Model B1 and click on Connect. Soon a mouse appeared on the screen, which was controlled by the gyroscope built into the keyboard. At this time, turn the keyboard left or right. The position of the mouse on the screen will move left or right. And when you lift and put down the keyboard, the position of the mouse will move up and down. By holding down the left mouse button and using the gyroscope mouse, you can perform common finger simulated operations such as sliding, clicking, multitasking, etc. The USB wireless receiver for computer. The connection is hidden on the back of the device. It is the receiver in the 2 for G wireless connection mode. Well, that's general introduction. I'll talk about more details in the next issue. Oh, I almost forgot to add that it is the switch that controls the mouse. The key below the Enter key is the mouse switch. Press it to turn it on or off. After closing it, the mouse becomes ineffective, and after opening it, the mouse is controlled again. Okay, see you next time.